So while doing programs, please try to be more interactive. Anyone can unmute the mic and say the answers, or I will ask randomly. Varsha, Shibu,
Yes, sir.
suppose you are asked to write a program to solve a quadratic equation. What? So before that, what is a quadratic equation? What is the general form of quadratic equation?
X is equal to and I x square ax square plus bx
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, Varsha, what is the remaining part? X square plus bx plus
c equal to 0.
c equal to 0. Okay. Okay, you can mute the mic. Vairada,
Yes, sir.
so in this program, how many inputs will be there?
Input uh, 3 input
3 inputs. Okay, what are they?
A,
A,
B,
B,
C.
C. Okay, A, B, C are the inputs. Okay. Tanush J,
Yes, sir.
what is the solution for quadratic equation?
Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac.
Minus B plus or minus root of B
B
square minus 4AC. Any more terms?
divided by 2a.
Divided by 2A. Okay. Sham Santosh,
Yes, sir.
what is B square minus 4AC? It is also known
Um,
as,
no, determinant.
okay, determinant. So we call it as D. It is okay, not B, it is D. It is not square root of B square minus 4AC, it is B square minus 4AC is D. Shashikant,
Yes, sir.
what are the possible values of D? What are the possible values of D? Okay, no problem. Saksham Sedu,
Yes, sir.
what are the possible values of D?
Greater than 0, equal to 0, less than 0.
Okay, D equal to 0, greater than 0, less than 0. Okay. So then I will start writing the program. So here I have three conditions. If D equal to 0, what we have to do? If D greater than 0, what we have to do? If D less than 0, what we have to do? That is what I am going to write in this program. Mean. Anyway, I have three variables. Int, sorry, I am declaring it as float. Everything as float. A comma, B comma, C. Then I have to calculate determinant. So I am using capital D. Printf. Enter values of A comma, B comma, C. Scanf percentage F comma ampersand A comma ampersand B comma ampersand C. So I have read three values. From these A, B and C I have to calculate D. D equal to, here you just listen carefully, B square is a single term, 4AC is a single term. So I am writing, okay, how I can write B square? No need of use any power function, just write B star B minus 4 star A star C. This is D. Okay, any confusion in this line number 6? B square means B star B. 4AC means 4 star A star C. Okay. Then if you have to go for 3 conditions. If D equal to 0, we have to do something. Then else if D greater than 0, we have to do something. So here D equal to 0 is checked, D greater than 0 is checked. The other possibility is always a negative value or some less than 0. Because a number can be either 0, greater than 0 or less than 0. So no need to write the condition again, just write else. Just write else. Okay. Saket Kumar,
Yes, sir.
what is D? When D equal to 0, what is the solution? When D equals 0, what is the solution?
Equal root, sir. Real and equal.
Real and equal. Okay, real and equal. It is fine. So from the formula, when D equals 0, this part becomes 0. This part becomes 0. The remaining thing is only minus B by 2A. So the roots are equal and the roots are minus B by 2A. So you have to calculate that one. So I will write here x equal to minus B by, here you can't write 2 star A like this. The meaning is B by 2 star A. So you have to put, if you write this one, it is not same as minus B by 2A. Here it is actually B by 2 into A. This is x. So just write printf roots are equal comma x equal to percentage f comma x. Any doubt in these two statements, 9 and 10? If anybody have any doubt, you can ask.
Sir, you have
Okay.
not declared X.
Okay, I will declare it. No problem. Okay. So it is clear. Next, when D greater than 0. When D greater than 0, we have two solutions. So I am writing x1. What is x1? x1 will be minus b plus, we have already calculated b square minus 4ac, it is in D. So I can write something like minus b plus root d by 2a. This is one root. Second root is minus b minus root d by 2a. So x1 I will write, first I will write x1 minus b plus Rohit PB,
Yes, sir.
how to find square root of d? Which library function we will use? രോഹിത്തെ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുന്നില്ല കേട്ടോ, അതാണ് എനിക്ക് മനസ്സിലായ കാര്യം. ഇന്നും കൂടെ പറഞ്ഞതേ ഉള്ളൂ. ഓക്കെ. ഋഷി സാഗർ ഏതാ?
സ്ക്വയർ റൂട്ട്.
സ്ക്വയർ റൂട്ട് ഒന്നുമില്ല. ഋഷി സാഗർ, വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദാറ്റ് ഫംഗ്ഷൻ?
SQRT.
Yeah, SQRT. SQRT of D, because D I already calculated here. Whole divided by 2a. So the entire expression has to be included in a bracket. Divided by 2a. 2 star a also you have to put in bracket. Already told you the reason. 2 star a. So this is x1. So similarly, just copying this. What will be x2? It will be minus b minus SQRT. So this will be minus b minus SQRT by 2 star a. You declare two more variables, x1 comma x2. x1 comma x2. So just print it. Printf. Roots are real and distinct, comma, x1 equal to percentage f, comma, x2 equal to percentage f, comma, x1, comma, x2, x1, comma, x2. Any doubt in this one? Any doubt? If anybody have any doubt, please ask. Otherwise, type clear in the chat box. Okay. Okay, next one is very important. Listen carefully. So you already studied minus b plus or minus root d by 2a. The problem is here else part means d is less than 0. This means d less than 0. Here our C library can't find square root of negative numbers. The C library can't find square root of negative numbers. That's the thing you have to keep in mind. I'm writing this statement into 2. Minus b by 2a plus or minus root d by 2a. Any doubt in this statement? Anybody have any doubt in this statement? Okay. Here actually d is some minus value. So if I convert that minus value to plus value, I can write it like this. I root d. I root d. So more things will be clear once I write the program. So I'm writing the remaining parts. D equal to minus d. So this line is just to convert. We all know here in this else condition d value will be a negative value. It must be a negative value. Always it will be a negative value. So minus d means that negative value will be converted to positive value and it will be stored in d. So d becomes positive value. Now I am declaring two more variables, r and real comma img. I'm writing two parts. Real equal to minus b by 2 star a. img equal to sqrt of d, sorry, capital D by 2 star a. So I already told you a C program can't find a square root of negative value, but here I converted it into a positive value. Next I am writing it printf roots are imaginary and distinct. Listen carefully, I am writing it x1 equal to percentage f plus I percentage f comma x2 equal to percentage f minus I percentage f comma Mayangraj. Mayangraj.
Yes, sir.
So what will I have to write next? So here x1 equal to percentage f. In place of this percentage f, what I have to write?
Real.
Real. Very good. Mary Alina,
Yes, sir.
in place of this second percentage of what I have to write?
IMG,
IMG, because I have declared here as IMG, correct? John Ralphie,
Yes, sir.
John Ralph. So in place of this percentage of what I have to write?
Mm, it's
Okay, no problem. Again, I will write real.
okay, sir.
Okay, here it is real minus I imaginary. Here it is real plus I.
Okay, sir.
Again, I will write IMG. Okay. So any doubt in this statement? Because I have converted this to two parts, real and imaginary. Here what happens is x1 will be printed, equal to sign will be printed. In percentage f, in place of percentage f, that real value will be printed. Then that plus symbol will be printed. Then I will be printed. Then in place of percentage f, again imaginary value will be printed. So you will get something like 5 plus 3i or 5 minus 3i. Okay. So I will execute the program. So for execution, I will take some solutions from internet and we will check the solution. Five, 6 and 1. Here I got minus 0.2 and minus 1. So here they also got that number. So our program is correct. Then we will try another one. Okay, this one we will try. This is actually third case. Again, sorry, I close the program. Here the values are 5, 2 and 1. 5, 2 and 1. 2 plus I 0.4. 0.2 plus I 0.4. Minus, here also minus 0.2. Here also I got minus 0.2. Minus 0.2 minus I 0.4. So if I checked our second case and third case. So equal and distinct means we will try our own example, something like x minus 5 the whole square means x square minus 10x plus 25. We will check the first case also. So I am giving 1 minus 10 and 25. So roots are equal, x equal to 5. So anyway, our program is correct. So I will come back to the program. Any line need any more clarifications? Anybody have any doubt, please ask. Gokul Krishnan,
Yes, sir.
do you have any doubt?
No, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay. So if everything is clear, we can wind up. So it's already 1.5 hours. So 2 more pending programs are there. So that is not as complex as this. So that we will discuss later.